What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Heading to Tobin's. We are finally putting the kit on Shane's JZX 100 Mark II. But first I have to pick someone up. Someone that you guys have seen pop up in the videos here and there. And then yeah, then we're gonna head to Tobin's and do some things.
GG.
And they'll come up good.
Not looking too bad. I reckon another decent cut and a good layer of wax, we should be good.
Oh yeah, this is the dickhead that we picked up.
I'm just useless, so
It wasn't worth it.
it was not worth it at all. Fuck. He's gonna hang out with me all day. Joke's on you.
We love you, really.
No, you don't.
Just gone over the whole door, done a first pass, and it's coming pretty good.
Not bad. Another pass and then a wax and we'll see what it looks like.
About to put his freshly painted Gannon doors on.
Yeah. Probably gonna scratch them up straight away, but it's all good.
Shit, heavy. Right, so we're finally going to put the kit on Shane's Mark II. We've already put the other skirt on this side, so now we're going to put the one on this side and the lip as well. So this stuff is freshly painted and yeah, ready to go on.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Oh shit.
Hide your drug paraphernalia. Peter.
From there.
Yep.
Sweet. Wow, look at that, eh?
Looks good.
Not bad.
Looks just like your other Mark II, eh?
It does indeed. No idea if that's even close, but looks believable.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, good.
It's supposed to say exciting stuff.
Double thumb. Oh, am I?
Oh, skirt's on. It's looking good. It's time to chuck the lip on. The kit is on
You're
for the
happy.
first time.
Happy.
It's never been on this car before.
It hasn't,
How
but
good.
I've seen this before.
We're going to try Tobin's VSKFs on the back of this, the ones that he has on the front of his 180.
I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to try it.
Definitely won't be able to drive it on it, but it'll be good for photos.
Fuck yeah, it'll be good for photos. Oh, that's not going to work. But how good?
Yeah, nah. I don't think that's, yeah, nah, not even yet.
Holy shit. Way bigger than they look, to be fair.
They are some big Johnnies. So that's that plan out the window.
That's a no-go, unfortunately.
Oh, they still look gangster on there.
Oh yeah, pretty legit. Can't hold that's what would happen.
You got some big Johnnies there.
I just slow out the camper arms.
Yeah.
Camper dog.
I think even if you did get some adjuster ones and wound them all the way in, still wouldn't be enough.
That would not.
It looked cool though.
You stand like from here, you can't really see how much is sticking out. It looks gangster, but that's that's worse. That's worse than Wisefab poke.
That's terrible. That's a no-go.
Yos. Come. Come. Don't.
Come.
I'm not telling you what for. Just go.
Yeah, what for?
That's irrelevant, mate.
On your bike, mate. Go see what he
just
wants.
come.
Go see what he wants.
Just come. Don't say that too many times. It's
Yeah, I
weird.
was about to...
Oh yeah, those
There we
skirts
go.
look good.
Fuck, don't they? How good.
That looks real good.
Very happy.
Thought it went real quiet over there.
What is that
Way more
contraption?
interesting than fucking cars, mate. You want some real content? Just the same as pissing on your lawn, but in granule style.
That's it, it's done. Seeds everywhere.
No, not seed, fertiliser.
Oh, fertiliser.
Yeah, mate.
How you going?
Not bad, mate. Yourself?
It's looking good. Yeah, no, I'm not too bad.
Nice sunny day to show it off.
Yeah. Once again, very, very little orange peel. Straight off the gun. Mate, you're a wizard.
Not too bad. Magic just happens.
So Tobin's just rocked up. It's first time seeing the bumper in the sunlight.
Sun brings it out, eh? It was real good.
I don't know how well the camera can pick it up. You know how, remember how we put that like real candy sort of like pink in it? If you look, you can actually see sparkles of the pink. Hope the camera can pick it up, but yeah, you can definitely see it in person. It looks so cool.
Definitely gonna have to keep the doors on, I think.
Right, so my dumbass left my camera at Mitchell's work, but luckily he's gonna bring it here for me. But until then, we're gonna have to rock the iPhone. Tobin's put this rear guard on, it's looking good. You put the bonnet on yesterday or something.
Yeah, it's just chucked on last night, so a bit easy for today, but
Continuing to make Tommy Effia proud.
doesn't coat everything.
Professional bonnet holder.
You need a job done, you know the man to call.
Not too bad. It will do.
Well, that looked pretty damn good. It was pretty good all the way, fairly consistent. Or as good as you can get with fiberglass.
Exactly.
So we're in the middle of fitting the side skirt up and just realised that there's no hole actually in the skirt. Yeah, there's one in the guard, but not the skirt itself, so Tobin's just gonna drill a hole. Bringing some drift car to the mix with the zip ties.
Oh yeah, just lived up. I'd rather use the pliers, so if I do smack them or something, they just snap.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Thanks, I'm full of them.
Hello.
How's it going?
I got your GoPro.
Cheers. Thanks for that.
No worries.
We'll switch over back to this. Yeah, how good
Gotta
does
say,
this
it's
look?
looking pretty good.
Stoked.
Yeah, pretty happy. See the other front guard on, put the front bumper on, really.
Yeah. Proud of your work?
Yes, it's good to see it on the car finally.
Oh, I gotta move again.
Yeah, get out of the way, woman.
Decisive males.
Almost want to
Always
go
trying
right
to
round
make
it
good
first,
light
don't
for
think
their
I'll-
selfies.
Straighten up.
Yep.
And go forward again.
Nick, go left.
Oh, this looks good in the sun. This looks so good in the sun.
Oh, no.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, no, actually, sorry, yeah, do. Just on the top.
Oh. Ouch.
Luckily it was on
Thanks. That looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I want to shut that bonnet, but now if I do that, I won't be able to open it.
Get you a girl that helps you work on your mate's cars with you.
Rarity, bud. Put the corner rubbers down a little bit further, but. That's not really good.
You really be able to appreciate your work now.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good, eh? That'll be the rest of your night, just standing here looking at it.
Yeah. we all just take a moment to just sit back and just admire it. Just look at it. We're about to shoot off, but Hayden's blocking us in with his chaser that doesn't work.
Can you push me?
Oh, this thing looks so sick. This sounds so good. I'm sitting here, I've edited the video, and once again realized I forgot to do an outro. Tobin's cars turned out sick, super keen to continue working on this thing, getting this thing going. The paint match is slightly off from the doors, so I think Tobin's going to get the doors and stuff painted to match what the kit is. But yeah, it looks so good in the sunlight, and yeah, Tobin's wrapped as. So that'll be it for this one, guys. Cheers for watching. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you tomorrow.